Nice cycle lane. Loads of cars parked in there outside these rich houses with big driveways, and they have to park in the cycle lane. Yeah, great. Moly. You're meant to be underground. Hello people, welcome back. Just been on a really long bike ride. I don't know how many miles we've done, but it was quite a few, and we had to detour. But we found this, it's a fishing river. It's out of season, so there shouldn't be any fishermen, although there's someone up there taking photos. He said it's like a sunset, but I'm hoping we get no trouble. I'm going to set up, well, Dale's already setting up there. I'm going to set up my tent here. Hopefully we'll just chill by the river. A quick look over my bag, just panniers in there in the rack. I've got a tent, Banshee 200, 300, I can't remember. Waterproofs, basically a tent set up, and in there's a sleeping bag, jumper, and a spare t-shirt and a couple of bits. Water. That's the tent set up, the Fango Banshee 200. I chose this one because it's good for out in the open. You've got all the tie-up points. There's a reinforced bar thing inside, air fence, and my lovely assistants showing you in there.
There's no vagina?
No, there's no thing to hold it open.
Oh, you need a tag
then. And yeah, it's pretty good in the wind. I've been camping in this up Wales, snowstorms and stuff. It's really good. Bit bulky pack size, but well, that's my setup done. Bag and everything. It's my summer kit in there to go lightweight, so I might get a bit cold, but I've got some hand warmers. Should be alright. And the bloke who was taking photos over there, he's come down and got funny with us saying, we can't camp here, camping's not allowed, no tents. And we were like, well, we're bike packing. We were just travelling and be gone first thing in the morning. Yeah, he wasn't too happy. But we'll see what happens. The sun's just going down over there. Now, I did have a stew for dinner, but I couldn't be bothered to cook it, and I had some sandwiches left over and snacks, so I've just had that. Just making a hot drink now to hopefully warm myself up a bit. Just getting quite cold. Bike, tent, Dale's tent. There it is. Stars are out. I can't pick them up. Oh, just about pick them up. One. it's about 9:30 and that bloke's literally just gone. And I'm sitting in the dark here trying to be respectful. He got funny because he said he likes to fish here, he's out of fishing season and stuff. I said yes, I know, I'm not fishing anyway. We're just doing a bike ride and we're stopping out the way from everyone overnight and going home early in the morning. But yeah, he didn't like it. He just came out of the darkness, a bit weird, and walked past. I said, hello mate, you alright? Nothing. So yeah, I've just had a hot coffee, so we'll just go chill, not go have a fire, because it's not right to. So unless anything happens, I'll see you in the morning. Okay, night night. Good morning, campers. It's about 6:30, and as you can see, it's very misty. I must have got about a good 5 hours sleep last night, so I can't complain. But I woke up freezing cold, proper cold. Yeah, this mist don't help, and being by the river, of course, but I was sort of hoping for a clear morning, just lay back and look across the river, but it's nice in its own way. Everything's proper soaking wet with this mist. I'm just starting to pack away, got a bike there, packing away. Dale's still in here. All packed away. That's where I had my tent. Leave no trace. I had the tent here. All my litter and everything I brought with me is in my bag. Dale's up just packing away, and we already had some person coming by asking me what we're doing and where we come from and everything, so we're packing away and go make a move. Got another, I think, 10 miles to get back, so I think I'll go leave it here though. It's a bit awkward. Respect to you guys who film and cycle, I find that really difficult. I ain't got much footage from me cycling because it's just a mission. Especially, I didn't bring my tripod this time, so I couldn't like place my phone up really and do a cycle pass. It's too much of a mission. So yeah, it was nice to wake up to that mist. It was really cold. There was even a bit of frost on the ground. But there you go. It's another one done. Miniature venture. It had its ups and downs, but such is life. So yes, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, cheers, bye.